Oh, sorry, I can't make tonight.
Who? Brubaker?
Yeah.
Sorry, I can't be here right now. Feel the power.
Breathless?
Probably Blake.